In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a delivery address on a Xero invoice, full 2025 guide. Adding a delivery address on your invoice ensures the right goods go to the right place, and it also keeps your billing and shipping details clearly separated for your customer. This is especially helpful if your customer's accounts team is in one location, but their warehouse or job site is somewhere else. Let's walk through the process step by step, keeping it simple and clear. Start by opening the invoice you want to work on and moving into the Edit Invoice view in Xero. If you already have the invoice on screen, you're in great shape. Just make sure you're on the editable version so you can make changes to the contact information associated with that invoice. Next, look for the option to access your contacts from within the invoice. You'll typically see the customer name displayed near the top of the invoice. Choose the contacts option there to open up the contact details connected to this invoice. This is where you can manage the addresses that Xero will print or display on your invoice documents. You'll now be in the Update Contact Details area. Think of this as your customer's profile panel. Here, you can keep the billing address as is and add a dedicated delivery address. Keeping these separate helps avoid confusion, particularly when a client pays from one location but receives goods at another. In the delivery address field, type the full destination address exactly as you want it to appear. Use clear line breaks to include the company or site name, an attention line if needed, the street and unit or suite number, the suburb or city, state or region, and the postal or zip code. If the address is international, include the country. For physical deliveries, avoid PO boxes and make sure apartment building or level numbers are easy to spot. Consistent formatting matters, check spelling, confirm the postcode, and keep punctuation simple so carrier labels remain legible. Once the delivery address is entered, Xero associates it with the contact so you won't have to retype it every time you invoice that customer. On most standard invoice layouts, this delivery address will appear distinctly from the billing address, helping your customer's team route goods correctly and speeding up dispatch. That's all there is to it. You open the invoice in edit mode, go to contacts, enter the update contact details area, and type in the delivery address. With those steps done, your invoices will show exactly where the goods should go, reducing shipping errors and saving time on back and forth clarifications. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along in your own Xero account.